Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Miaira Jennings, and in this DIY video, I'm going to show you how I made these 3 easy no-sew satin hair accessories. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I got these packs of 20 by 20 inch satin scarves because I have a million ideas for them, but this video is going to feature easy hair accessories. This will be particularly useful for my natural curly kinky folks out there because satin is our best friend. Now let's jump right on in with the satin scrunchies. I'm using a hot glue gun, 20 by 20 inch red satin scarf, thin elastic, and my fabric scissors. That is it. For more information on these items, just scroll on down to that description box. And let's get started. First, I am using my fabric scissors to cut a strip that is about 4 or 5 inches wide. Next, I am hot gluing along one side, folding the strip over and pressing those edges together. Now I'm just flipping it inside out to hide the raw edges, and you can use a pencil to help you out with this part. Alright, and once that's done, it's time to add the elastic. Just attach a safety pin or a paper clip or even a bobby pin to the end of an elastic piece that's about 9 or 10 inches long and work it all the way through that loop. Then just tie the ends together in a knot and slip that knot on in. Last but not least, we're going to hot glue the ends together, making sure that those raw edges are tucked in. Nice and neat. And that's it, guys. These scrunchies are super easy to make, and again, no sewing machine necessary. And you already know I gotta try it on, so let's go. Next up, we're going to turn this basic hat into this satin-lined cutout hat that's perfect for puffs, poofs, ponytails, buns, and all that. And in case anyone is wondering, no, it is not the same as a visor. A visor has no coverage in the front whatsoever, and this cutout hat has the full coverage of a hat in the front, but it has a bigger opening in the back for your hair. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. I am using a hot glue gun, a regular hat, this gray satin scarf, and my fabric scissors. Again, check out the description box for more info. And let's get started. First, I am using my fabric scissors to cut those back 2 panels out of the hat, being very careful to leave that bottom strap intact. You don't want to cut off any more than that because you don't want to lose that hat effect. Alright, now that opening is complete, and it's time to add that satin lining. And guys, in case you're wondering what is even the point of adding the satin lining, well, if you have natural hair especially, you know that certain materials can pull and tug and snag at your hair all day long. So this satin lining in the interior of the hat is really going to be a game changer. And as you can see, all I'm doing is adding hot glue along the inside of the hat and then pressing down the satin material right onto that glue, smoothing it out so everything is nice and neat. Alright, and once the satin is completely glued into the interior of the hat, I'm just using my fabric scissors to trim away that excess satin all the way around. And that's it, guys. This satin lined cutout hat is now complete. It's looking good, it's looking sleek. If you're team big hair, don't care, you will love this one. Now let's go try it on. Let's get to this satin bonnet. Again, I'm using my hot glue gun, this cheetah print satin scarf, then elastic, and my fabric scissors. Links down below, and let's get started. First, I'm using my fabric scissors to cut the corners to make this a more circular shape. Once that's done, I'm going to take my hot glue gun, glue all the way around the circumference, and then fold those edges over about an inch or so. Then just press it down, make sure it's nice and smooth. You want to make sure you leave enough open space in that fold for the elastic later. Alright, and once that's all glued, just attach your safety pin, paper clip, or bobby pin to the end of your elastic and work it all the way around. Now, I completely forgot to measure the elastic ahead of time, but all you have to do is wrap it around your head and make sure it's the right length. Okay, and once I got it all the way around to the other side, I just trimmed it and then tied a knot and tucked that knot inside the fold. And that's it. This little satin bonnet is complete. Ready for me to catch some Z's in. Let's go try it on. And that's it, guys. No sewing at all. Your hair will thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please drop a comment below to let me know what you think and let me know what you want to see me DIY next. If you're already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you're not, hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so you never miss a DIY video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.